Introduction. The evolution of modern pedagogy. Modern pedagogy, or the art and science of teaching, has been deeply influenced by historical education systems. These systems, developed over centuries, have shaped contemporary educational practices, philosophies, and methods that continue to impact how we teach and learn today. The classical education model, foundation of Western pedagogy. The classical education model, rooted in ancient Greece and Rome, emphasized the study of grammar, rhetoric, and logic. This trivium formed the foundation of Western education and influenced the development of critical thinking and analytical skills in modern pedagogy. The emphasis on a well-rounded education remains a cornerstone of contemporary educational practices. The medieval university system, birth of higher education. The establishment of universities during the Middle Ages, such as the University of Bologna and the University of Paris, formalized higher education. These institutions introduced structured curricula and degrees, laying the groundwork for modern universities. The medieval university system's focus on specialized fields of study continues to shape higher education today. The Renaissance and humanism, shifting focus to the individual. During the Renaissance, the humanist movement emphasized the value of the individual and the importance of personal development. This shift influenced educational philosophies, promoting the idea that education should nurture the whole person, including their moral and ethical development. Modern pedagogy continues to embrace this holistic approach. The Industrial Revolution, standardizing education. The Industrial Revolution brought about the need for a more standardized and accessible education system. Schools began to focus on producing a workforce equipped with basic literacy, numeracy, and technical skills. This led to the development of public education systems, compulsory schooling, and standardized curricula, all of which are central to modern education. Progressive education movement, focus on student-centered learning. The late 19th and early 20th centuries saw the rise of the progressive education movement, led by educators like John Dewey. This movement advocated for student-centered learning, experiential education, and the development of critical thinking skills. These ideas have significantly influenced modern pedagogy, particularly in the emphasis on active learning and student engagement. Montessori and alternative education models, emphasizing autonomy. Maria Montessori's educational philosophy, developed in the early 20th century, emphasized self-directed learning and the importance of a prepared environment. Montessori's methods, along with other alternative education models like Waldorf and Reggio Emilia, have influenced modern approaches to early childhood education, fostering autonomy and creativity in students. The Information Age, integrating technology in education. The rapid advancement of technology in the late 20th and early 21st centuries has revolutionized education. Historical education systems' focus on literacy and knowledge dissemination has evolved into the integration of digital tools in the classroom. Modern pedagogy now incorporates online learning, digital resources, and interactive platforms, making education more accessible and dynamic. Lifelong learning, a legacy of continuous education. The concept of lifelong learning, which has roots in historical education systems that valued continuous personal development, has become a key aspect of modern pedagogy. Today, education is viewed as an ongoing process that extends beyond formal schooling, encouraging individuals to pursue knowledge and skills throughout their lives. Conclusion. Bridging past and present in education. Historical education systems have laid the groundwork for many of the pedagogical practices used today. By building on these foundations, modern educators continue to evolve teaching methods that address the needs of contemporary learners while honoring the enduring principles of effective education. The legacy of these systems ensures that the pursuit of knowledge remains a central aspect of human development.